those corners.
Upshift, but I have another turn.
Right. Shit. It'll take time.
Yeah, I'll probably get better at it. Like thread it in a lot better.
Yeah.
That way, this too, I don't have to clutch in at all. I can just keep the ass in.
Yeah.
This video I should
Run over the way.
Sorry, where do you want it?
That don't matter.
That clutch, man, it's killing me.
Yeah. How's it feel?
Terrifying.
It will for a while.
But it's a lot better than it has been, so.
I think too, if I straighten up the steering wheel,
I don't mind that.
for me, it's kind of. Yeah, I like it straight.
How it works out for me is like it sits perfectly, like my hand sits here.
Yep.
So it's kind of
gives you a little leverage. You gotta learn too that you're always driving just with your left usually, and that'll get you shifting easier. If you learn to drive with your left hand more, because most people decide.
Well, usually my left hand is my cruising hand, and my right hand is my.
Yeah.
I guess it might have to change. It's that clutch, man. It's a little bastard. It's stuck. That's probably 90% of all the stalls I've had. Has just been that.
Yeah.
Getting stuck.
You put the wrath of God till you bow the sheet metal out.
Does that destroy it?
No, it's.
Once in all the way?
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's
So
just.
should we just put another thing down and try to not get it stuck?
Yeah, we could. I don't know. Or you just don't
Learn,
put the
obviously, but
softer clutch foot. Maybe. We made it though.
it's like the brakes.
This is Mustang Monday. Is it 2021?
Memorial Mustang Monday.
Yeah, Memorial Day.
Okay, Ma?